students, welcome back. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. So in the last video we had discussed about factors and I told you about the various type of numbers as well. So today we are going to learn about prime factorization. Prime factorization using tree method. But before starting this, I just want to remind you that prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, right? And factor, what do you mean by factor? A factor is a number which divides other number without leaving any remainder, right? Remember in the last video I've shown you how to find the factor of 30, right? Like that only. So today I will discuss with you people about prime factorization. Prime factorization means writing a number as product of its prime factors. Prime factors. Let's take one example. So I'm going to write over here. Let's take any example, any number, 12. Find its factor. So when I'll find its factor, I will be getting 2, 2 and 3. Okay, you can check as well. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, right? All are prime numbers. If you see, these all are prime number. 2 prime number, 2 prime number, 3 prime numbers, right? So all the prime numbers, and if we are multiplying all the numbers, we get the same result. I've shown you 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, right? So this method of expressing the factors, like using prime numbers, are called prime factorization. Means here I am expressing factors of 12 but by using only prime numbers. These are prime numbers, right? So this is called prime factorization. You had done this topic in your previous class also. This is just a revision of that. Let's take one example. Use a factor tree method to find the prime factorization of 88. 88, right? Now students, you have to think of a pair of numbers which give the product 88. 88, right? Come on, think. I mean to say, you have to think of two numbers, right? A pair of number means two numbers that if you multiply those numbers, the answer should be 88. Yes, so I thought 11 into 8, 88, right? So you have to extend these branch, means you have to split this number 11 and 8. 11 8s are 88. Now I have used red pen here just to distinguish that this is a prime number, because we are going from prime factorization now. So but one thing, very important thing I want to tell you, that if you are getting a prime number, that means you cannot extend that further. Okay, you have to stop here only. You cannot split further or you cannot extend this number further. But 8 is a composite number, so I have to extend this, right? Now again here, think of a pair of number which give the product 8 this time, because we are splitting 8 here. Yeah, think it can be anything actually. 4 to the 8, right? 4 and 2, so you can write and 2, I'm using red pen here. 2 is a prime number, so I'm going to encircle it. See why I'm using different pen, because it will help you to distinguish it, that this is a prime number and this is a composite number. Red ones are prime numbers. Now 4 is a composite number. We can write it 2 to the 4. This is a rough work, okay? We have to split this further and I can write 2. You can check also. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 11s are 8, right? You can check also. Now 2 is a prime number and this 2 is also a prime number. Now I cannot extend these further, right? So these are the prime factors. correct? You cannot extend it further. Now the question comes, how do we write the answer? So I'll tell you what you have to do. Firstly, write prime factorization, prime of 88, or you can write prime factors of 88, no issue. But students, this time you will only go for prime numbers. See, only red ones. 11, 2, 2, 2. 11, 2, 2, 2. Yay! You will not gonna add these composite numbers. That's why I told you to use this red pen. It will help you at the last, right? And it is helping us right now. Now, students, you can check your answer as well. If you want to check that if your answer is right or wrong, I have a thing for that. Just multiply these numbers. 11 twos are 22, 22 twos are 44, 44 twos are 88. Right? So our answer is absolutely correct. So like this, you can draw your tree by using prime factors. Now students, the question arises, is this the only way to draw the tree? No, you can go for another method as well. I'll show you how. When I told you that think of a pair of numbers which give the product 88, that time I have taken 11 into 8. The answer was 88. But maybe some of you have thought about another number, right? Like 2 into 44 is again a pair of number that will give you 88, right? After multiplication you will get 88, right? So same, split this number here 2, here 44. This is a prime number, so I'm going to use red pen here. Extend this. Now again, think of a pair of numbers which give the product 44. 22 into 2, right? I'm writing here 2 and 22. Again, it is a prime number. 22 is a composite number. We will split this further. It is 22 now. 11 into 2. 2 is a prime number. 11 is also prime number. That means you have to stop now. You got your tree. Now express this number in prime factors. 2. Firstly write prime factors of 88. 2, 2, 2, 11. Please check. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 into 11, 88. See, that time also you got the same factors, right? You can go for any method. Students, now it is up to you that you want to draw this tree or this tree. Okay, so you have to draw only one. I have shown you both the methods so that you'll understand better.